In this video, I'll show you how to use Kofi to sell digital products. Ko-fi offers a free solution for selling digital products, allowing you to create a customizable page. People can donate or purchase digital products from your shop. For example, someone is selling animations and emotes for $15 each, and buyers can easily purchase them. I'll guide you through the setup process, step by step. First, let's visit the Kofi website. You can go to ko-fii.com or simply search for Kofi on Google. On their homepage, you'll see that creators earned $8 million last month. Kofi markets itself as an easy way to make money doing what you love. Scroll down and you'll notice their platform fees are only 5%, with no monthly subscription fees to sell or accept donations. To get started, click Sign Up for Free, or enter a username to go to the sign up page. You'll need to provide a display name, email address, and password. After signing up, click Make Money on Kofi as a creator. Next, select Sell Products. If you also want to receive donations, you can check that option too. For this demonstration, we'll focus on selling products. Click Continue. Enter a username. You can change it later if needed, and click Next. Choose a profile picture, select your interests, and write a bio. Your bio will be displayed in the About section of your page, so make it engaging for your viewers. Click Next. Ko-fi will ask you to opt into a plan that takes 5% of your income in exchange for additional features like custom colors, monthly recurring donations, and badges. One notable feature is the ability to customize your donation prompt. Example, buy me a coffee, or buy me a beer. Opting in doesn't cost anything up front. You only pay 5% of your sales or donations. Confirm your account and set up your payment settings. You can connect PayPal and Stripe by adding your emails. This will allow you to accept payments via credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. You can choose to connect either PayPal or Stripe, or both. Once logged into your account with a connected payment method, go to your page to start accepting donations and selling products. If you don't see the option to sell digital products, go to the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Shop to add this feature. Now, let's set up your shop. Keep the status open and add your first product. For example, I'll sell a YouTube thumbnail template. Select Digital Item and provide a detailed description and preview images. You can also embed YouTube videos. Use descriptive text to improve conversion rates. Categorize your products if you have many. For this example, I'll add the category YouTube. Save the category and upload your product assets. You can either upload files directly to Kofi or redirect buyers to a URL if your product is hosted online. Set your product price and enable the Pay What You Want option if desired. You can also leave a thank you message or instructions for buyers after purchase. To create scarcity, limit the number of items available for sale. Once satisfied with your settings, save and publish your product. Your product page will display the title, username, avatar, price, and description clearly. A Buy Now button makes purchasing easy for customers. To see your shop, go to your page. The Donate feature will be visible if enabled along with your shop. You can share the URL of your shop directly with potential buyers. That's it. Your Kofi shop is now set up and ready to accept donations and sell products. I hope this guide was helpful, and I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.